recurring payment for insurance industry is extremely important. Lot of touched upon some of these aspects. We are a long-term contract business, and to put it in crude terms, what we need to understand is that it is more of a pull business, not a push business. Insurance is actually, agents actually solicit that business. They advocate and then they sell this business. People seldom come hunting for it, while e-com is picking up, but people seldom come hunting for insurance, buying insurance, etc. It has to be pushed rather than pulled. The other thing is for an annual policy. It's quite a low touch business. You would get in touch with customer only once in a year. If it is an annual policy, you will have to find and invent ways to remain in touch with the customer. And therefore, what is extremely important is that when you are actually creating a contract, you for two things, you 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 bring that customer on the recurring payment. So one is that even if the contactability of the customer over a period of time goes low, because that also we have observed, you are able to at least make sure that the payments are coming through and customers do not lose the opportunity and do not lose on the insurance cover which he has bought for, and it doesn't lapse. Second most important thing is the customer experience. Customer is king these days. If you're only getting in touch with the customer only for the payment, and maybe and for every insurer that interaction becomes quite it intensifies a lot when the renewal is due. It is extremely it becomes quite nagging for customer, and customer a lot of time gives feedback that this insurance company only approaches me when there is an insurance, there is a renewal due. So that also kind of impacts the NPS and everything. So it is extremely important from the customer convenience and customer experience perspective also, that it is seamless, and customer is able to kind of pay the payment without any issue. Now pre-COVID and post-COVID, there have been two trends. Pre-COVID, largely all these payments were kind of getting registered through physical medium. ENACH was one of the ways people were signing those forms. Forms are quite cumbersome. I must tell you, the time taken was quite huge. I am quite optimistic about COVID. COVID, also known as Chief Transformation Officer by a lot of people, is actually pushing people towards the digital ways of kind of registering. In that, there is a huge split. All of us know credit card with standing instruction is the best possible mode because of the experience and its reliability. It is just one click journey, and the hit rate and the success rate is also highest amongst everything. And as you go further, maybe to net banking, eNACH, and further modes, then you will realize that the payment starts dropping, and that is why, to summarize everything, I just want to say that in this matter, experience and reliability, these are extremely key factors. Experience means whatever we want to do, it has to be seamless for customers. It should not be more than one click. We shouldn't ask him to kind of keep entering the details again and again, because it becomes because with every increasing field which we ask customers to fill, you will always see that there is an attrition happening, and then the drop rate increases, and chances of error also increases. Now the other thing is which is linked to it is the reliability. As the error rate increases, and there's also a nuance of when you move on to net banking and other modes where you have to actually link it with the actual account of the customer, whether the money is lying over there or not. Then there are some nuances from that side, and the drop rate further increases.